Alright, here we have a case, CX330 hydraulic excavator, previously owned by Fisher Industry, and they're selling it now because they are updating their fleet. So we're going to start with the outside. Basic machine, got your tracks, undercarriage. Tracks actually look loose right now, just with how much the sag's in them. This machine's pretty cool because it has a hydraulic thumb on it. Hydraulic thumb's expensive, but the only way to go if you ask me. This one actually seems kind of small for this machine, but I'm no expert on that by any means. You got a decent sized bucket on this. I'm thinking since it was used by Fisher Industries, it was probably a machine that was used to load crushers or screeners, something along those lines. Just judging from the fact that it has a thumb on it, on this size of a machine. But yeah, you got a 2.5 yard bucket maybe. I'm not an expert on it by any means, but so feel free to correct me if I'm wrong. There's your boom going up, all your hydraulic cylinders. Here's the rest of your machine. Yeah, someone definitely did a good job scratching up the back, but that's why you can buy cans of paint. I'm thinking this one's locked. Yeah, oh, this one's locked, guys. Sorry about that. But yeah, probably just basic cab as any other. So, thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And have a great day.